L later LCM, which is lowest common multiple. Lowest, or we can also call it least. Lowest or least common multiple. Right, beta? In lower classes, in class 6, I remember we do it like this. Like, for example, they ask you to find LCM of, let's say, I'm taking small numbers to make you understand. Let's say 6 and 10. Now, how are you going to do it for 6 and 10? You used to write multiples. As the name says multiple, the numbers which comes in its table, obtained by multiplying. From multiple, keep the term in mind, multiplying. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 34, next multiple 36, and so on. Right? So these are the multiples of 6 beta. And then if I ask you to write down, let's say, multiple of 10. So what are we going to get? 10 ones are 10, then 20, 30, 40, so on. Is there any number which is common in both the tables?
30.
30.
Right. And children, is this the only number which will be common to both, or there will be more?
Ma'am, more.
There will be more.
If you move ahead, 6 tens are 60 and 10 6 are 60. 60 will be the next common multiple. So we found LCM lowest common multiple. सबसे छोटा common multiple is 30. This is how you used to do in class 5 and 6. Right? But if we are going to do this for such big numbers, let's say for I say 254 and 1020, find LCM. Are we going to put their tables like this and do that? No. So in higher classes, like in 7th or 8th, we learned prime factorization method to find LCM. Ji beta, we were finding LCM something like this. Taking 2 common, 3, 5. Now 2. Then in the table of 5, 1, 1. And then we used to multiply these 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. And we used to say that LCM is 30. Am I correct? That is how you are doing these days. अब हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं आजकल.
Yes,
है ना
ma'am.
बेटा? Is everyone aware of this method, or there is anybody in the class who doesn't know? सबको आता है बेटा ये LCM निकालना? Yes. So this is known as finding LCM. Now I'm giving you one another way of finding LCM. What is that method? Prime factorization, by finding its prime factors. Prime factors. So I will be finding prime factors. So LCM by prime factors. What are we going to do in that? We will write 6 and 10. Now write the common multiples of 6. Oh, sorry, prime factors of 6. How do we write 6? Right? And how do we write 10?
2 into 5.
Fine. Now what is common to both?
2.
So when I'm writing LCM, this common number will be taken once. This common number will be taken only one time. Why? I'm giving you example from here. Focus here. When we are dividing by 2, in one step only 2 is dividing both 6 and 10. In single step only 2 is dividing both 6 and 10 beta. Yes? So 2 तो एक ही बार count हुआ ना बेटा. 2 has divided both in the single step, but 2 is being counted once only. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting my point? So that is why the common number will be written only one time. Okay? And then 3 and 5. Whatever is left as it is. जो भी बच गया उसको as it is. And then you know the multiple On multiplication, you will find 30. So now in class 10, we are going to find LCM using this method. LCM by finding its prime factors. I have done 3 different ways, and you can see the answer is coming out to be same. That is, the lowest common multiple is coming out to be same in all the cases, right? You just have to keep in mind the common number is taken once. Why it is taken once? I have explained here. 2 is dividing both 6 and 10 in just one single step. So that is how it is going to be counted only once. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is lowest or least common multiple. Now, what does it mean? It means when I'm saying that one more thing, children. This is how we are going to do the notation now. This is how it is being written. LCM in the bracket 2 numbers separated by a comma equal 30. So we read it as LCM of 6 and 10 is 30. Right? Now, what does it mean, children? What does it mean when I'm saying that LCM of 6 and 10 is 30? What does it actually mean? It means that 30 is the lowest multiple, is the lowest number, सबसे छोटा number है, which is being divisible by both 6 and 10. 30 एक ऐसा सबसे छोटा multiple से आप ध्यान रख लो, multiple multiply table. Table is obtained by multiplying. So 30 is the smallest number which comes in the table of both 6 and 10. और ये सबसे छोटा number है which is divisible by both 6 and 10. You may say in any language. Clear? And you should know that LCM of two numbers, जो LCM होता है दो numbers का, because it is multiple. Use common sense बेटा. जब भी आप multiple यानी किसी भी number के multiples लिखते हो, suppose you are writing multiples of 12, the smallest multiple of 12 will be, can you tell me the smallest multiple of 12? सबसे छोटा. Multiple बेटा, multiple means multiply. अगर आप 12 को 1 से भी multiply करते हो, we say 12 into 1 is 12. So which is the smallest multiple of 12? सबसे छोटा multiple of 12. 12. The number itself will be the smallest multiple. If I ask you the smallest multiple of 15, 15.
15.
If I ask you the smallest multiple of 172, सबसे छोटा multiple.
172.
So when the smallest multiple of the number is number itself, so its LCM is either going to be that number or greater than that. या तो वही number होगा या उससे बड़ा. LCM cannot be smaller than that number. LCM of any numbers cannot be smaller than the given numbers. It can be equal to the higher one as discussed, but it cannot be smaller. उससे छोटा तो नहीं हो सकता ना. We cannot say the multiple of 20 is 10. 10 is a factor of 20. 10 is a factor of 20. Are you getting my point, children? So this is just a trick to keep in mind that LCM of two numbers is either the greater one or more than that. उनसे छोटा कभी नहीं हो सकता. Clear? Now let us discuss highest common factor. Highest common factor. As the name suggests, it is the highest number which divides. Factor means which divides. Multiple means which is obtained by multiplying. But HCF, factor means which is obtained by dividing. Opposite. The other name for HCF is GCD. You should be knowing. आपने नहीं सुना होगा शायद पहले. GCD. G stands for highest. The synonym is greatest. Yes. C stands for common only. And D stands for divisor. Divisor. Okay. So if you get to hear HCF or GCD, both mean one and the same. Highest and greatest are synonyms. Factor is the one which divides. So they are also synonyms. Okay. Now how to find HCF? Let us say we have to find HCF of 6 and 10 only. So 6 is here, 10 is here. Write prime factors here also. Now, which is the common number that divides both of these?
2.
2.
2.
So what would be the HCF of 6 and 10?
2.
2.
Only 2. Only 2. Yes?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
just notice one thing. What is the product of LCM and HCF?
60.
60.
30. And what is the product of the numbers given?
60.
60.
So there is a result which is an important result, and that result says HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. We can see 2 into 30 is 60. 6 into 10 is also 60. So in the question, suppose you have calculated HCF. You can find LCM as LCM is equal to product of numbers. HCF will go in division. Anything can happen like that. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. We'll take more examples, Mayank.